Hello friends, I'm Chris and welcome to another video. In my previous unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5, I gave you some brief reasons why I still bought it in 2021. Today, I'm gonna go deeper on that and give you 5 reasons to get this instead of the Series 6 or SE and maybe even the upcoming Series 7. Let's get into it. First things first, the price. The 44mm Series 6 Sport currently sells at 26,990 pesos and I got the Series 5 at only 21,990. That's a whopping 5,000 pesos in savings already. Although, the Apple Watch SE is still the cheapest at 18,990. 3,000 pesos difference pa rin yun, pero maraming features na I think are worth paying a little more na inalis sa SE. And one of it is so important to me that that alone is on this list, which leads me to my next reason. To reach that lower price point, Apple removed the always on display from the SE. But this is a non-negotiable omission for me. And I think hindi ka magsisisi for paying a little extra for it. Also, this may not sound that much, but obviously raising your wrists too often to check the time feels rude in most situations. So the ability to just glance discreetly whenever and see the time is a lifesaver. The Series 5 and SE have the same S5 chip while the Series 6 has the newer S6 to run all those computing. The S6 might be better, but in real-world usage, I think hindi mo na mapapansin yun. The S5 is plenty fast enough for all the tasks you'll throw at your watch, and this will likely hold itself up well moving forward. Given that the Series 5 is a mid-cycle update, it also means that the S5 is a powerful chip that will be able to handle future watch OS updates longer, which directly connects to the next reason. Okay, this is just purely speculation, but I think that Apple will still support the Series 5 for 4 more years of watch OS updates. They're just so great at optimizing their hardware and software that they can squeeze a lot more life out of their devices before dropping support. This doesn't mean you can't use it after that though. Using this for 4 to 5 years will be an easy bet, just like how I used my old Series 0 even after 3 years of no more updates. Last and probably the worst reason to get the Series 6 is the delayed feature rollouts. A region-specific problem na apektado tayo dito sa Pilipinas. The ECG on the Apple Watch was announced and rolled out by Apple in the West almost immediately after the launch of the Series 4. The Series 4 in 2018. And we just got it activated here last February 2021. Why? I don't know. May blood oxygen monitor ng Series 6, but that might not be activated here anytime soon. So you're basically paying for a tech that you might not be able to use for years. And that's why I included the future Series 7 in the mix. Apple is expected to add more health features to their upcoming devices, but I doubt na magagamit nyo agad yun pagka-release nila. As of the publishing of this video, the Series 5 is the device you can maximize all of the company's watch tech that are included. There you have it friends, my 5 reasons why I still chose the Series 5 even when a newer and better device is already available. Price, always on display, performance, longevity, and the delay of feature rollouts here in the Philippines. Do you agree? Are you getting a Series 5 in 2021? Let me know in the comments below. Hope I helped you make a decision if you're planning to get an Apple Watch soon. If you learned something or enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I'm making more content like this, so I hope you join me again in the future. Thank you so much for your time watching, and hope to see you in the next one. Ingat!